Nice.
The first accessory you see when unboxing is the solar panel of the T-Solar device. Take out all the remaining accessories. There are 6 items in the box: the solar panel, device storage case, solar panel connector, and some small screws and accessories. Next, assemble the device step by step according to the instructions. Use the corresponding screws as shown in the video to secure the device. Connect the solar panel to the device case. After connecting the 2 components, you can then attach the accessory on the back of the device case. The assembled device case with its accessory looks like this. Users can mount the case in a desired location based on their needs. We have designed an application that allows the device case to be mounted on cylindrical objects, such as utility poles. The box also includes 4 cables for users to adapt to different devices. The following will illustrate 4 device types based on the different cables. T-Solar provides power to the device by converting solar energy into electricity to keep the device running when there is no sunlight. A device capable of storing electrical energy is needed. Here we use the T-BAT device to store the solar-converted electricity in a battery, thereby allowing the stored battery power to supply the device. Thread the solar power cable from the bottom, connect it to the T-BAT, and locate the socket labeled Solar In on the device. If there is an additional battery socket, it can be expanded via BAT-in. You can refer to our pre-connected device setup. Some devices, such as the T-Beam, do not come with an IPEX interface. We provide an adapter cable to facilitate connection for this type of device. First, you need to remove the socket here and replace it with the adapter cable we provide. Once secured, connect it to the device, and then use the power output from the T-BAT to supply power to the T-Beam. The T-Beam S3 device does not come with a battery socket. You can use soldered wires to connect to the device's VBAT and GND pins to supply power. Locate the USB out interface on the T-BAT device and connect it. The stored energy in the T-BAT can now power the T-Beam S3. The external antenna expansion module at the bottom can help improve signal reception. Locate the LoRa external antenna interface on the device and install the antenna to use it. The other antenna can be connected to other interfaces that require an external antenna, such as GPS based on device needs. Some LILYGO devices, such as the T-Echo, directly support solar power. Use the cable we provided for interface conversion to connect directly to the T-Echo. locate the power port on the T-Echo. The T-Echo has a socket specifically for solar input. Correctly select the cable as shown in the video to directly connect the solar power cable to the device. If you need to connect the T-Bat device, you will need to replace the cable with the corresponding interface. This is not mentioned in the video, but you can refer to the connection method for the T-Beam S3 and locate the T-Bat's USB out interface. Similarly, locate the interface that requires an external antenna. Ensure it is properly installed, and the device can then be powered by solar energy. Version v1.3 of the T3 can be directly connected to the solar interface. Locate the external antenna socket on the device and connect it properly. The T3 also supports power supply using the T-Bat device. Locate the USB out socket on the T-Bat device and use the cable we provided to connect it to the T3. The TSIM series devices can utilize our TSIM shield for expansion, offering strong applicability within the T-Solar system. First, you need to obtain some information from the TSIM Shield resource repository on GitHub. Find the option for TSIM Shield and click to enter. Here are the settings related to different TSIM devices. You need to operate according to the instructions provided. The device we are using for demonstration is the TSIM 7600G. Find the corresponding settings, paying attention to the image annotations and the information mentioned in the text below. According to the image instructions, we need to toggle the SW3 switch to on. The SW3 switch has been toggled to the ON position. Next, use a jumper cap to connect 2 points. Make sure these 2 points are properly connected before installing the device on top to avoid short circuits or malfunctions. Install the device according to the insert starting position marker. The TSIM shield can be directly installed into the T-Solar device case. You need to remove the mounting plate inside the case. After unscrewing, also disconnect the larger power cable interface and then remove the mounting plate. After installation, mount the TSIM 7600G onto the TSIM shield. The TSIM 7600G can directly receive power converted by the T-Solar device. Therefore, customers can also consider the TSIM shield as an optional solution. Connect the external antennas to the SIM interface on the TSIM 7600G and the LoRa interface on the TSIM Shield device. After checking that everything is properly installed, it is ready for normal use.